Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Connect panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 points inspection by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months. You also get roadside assistance included for 1 year with a single call-out, and you can obviously extend both warranty and roadside here at the dealership. We also applied a triple-layer Guard-X nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect the paint of this vehicle. This specific exemplar is in the Trend trim, which comes with color-coded front bumpers, which also are fitted with fog lights. Then you have the electrically adjustable mirrors on the side, the fuel port for both diesel and AdBlue. Over to the rear, you have barn-style opening doors, and you also have parking sensors on the rear bumper. And I forgot to mention, they're also fitted on the front bumper. And we also have a secure lock with deadbolt over the rear doors and over the curbside sliding door. Let's take a look into the cargo hold now. As you can notice, the cargo hold of this vehicle is a bit more specialized. You have 2 rows of shelvings on both sides. You have wood ply lining over the panels and the doors, and also over the flooring. And I'll give you also a view from the opposite side. As you can notice, over the bulkhead you also have a dispenser, which is also replicated over here, and you have easy access on all the stowage for any tools you may need. Not taking into account these shelves, you would have 125 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, but with the shelvings it's 50 centimeters in between the 2 shelves. Then you have a depth of 215 centimeters and a height of 122 centimeters to the center rib. And you can also notice you have LED lightings fitting on top of the roof. Let's take a look into the cabin now. Once you access the cabin, you have 2 fully adjustable independent seats. Getting into the cabin, you have some storage solutions over the passenger side, right on top of the dashboard, and then one over the glove box. And once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have an analog dashboard with a digital trip computer, which is also fitted with a color screen. It's fully adjustable and customizable. You can access various settings of the vehicle as well. Like the driver assistance, you can notice the vehicle is fitted with blind spot monitoring, pre-collision assist, hill start assist, cross traffic alert, and it's fully loaded with all the driver assist pack. And then you have more settings to customize any feature of the vehicle. Over the steering wheel, you have the classic stalk for the indicators over to the left. On the left spoke, you have the commands for the trip computer. And then over to the right, you have the wiper stalk and the infotainment controls, which also adjust both the calls and the voice commands. Over to the right, you have a rotary dial for the headlights, and you can also use it to adjust the height of the beam, both the main and the dipped one. The vehicle is fitted with front and rear fog lights, and over here you can also adjust the dimming of the cabin lights. Over the driver's armrest, you have the controls for the power fold mirrors, and the power windows. And then just beside the door handle, you have the center locking unit. The infotainment unit is a Ford Sync 2, which is fitted with a 3-inch color screen. It has DAB radio, Bluetooth capability of course. Just underneath you have a QI wireless charging shelf, which is compatible with both QI and MagSafe devices. Really useful to keep your phone on an even battery level. Underneath you have all the AC controls with the quick defrost of the windshield, which is fully electric, and Ford calls it the quick clear. You have the heated windows, eco mode toggle, traction control, auto start and stop, and then parking sensors toggle. The vehicle also shows you the parking sensors, and as you can see you have an array of parking sensors over the rear and an array for the front. This specific exemplar is fitted with a 6-gear transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Connect panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.